Good morning. Online students, good morning. My dear online students, very good morning. Good morning, Avya. Good morning. ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಚಳಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ AC 16 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ದಿತೇಶ್ ನ ಜುಟ್ಟು ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಬ ಹೋಗು ಹಂಗೆ ಹಿಂದೆ ಹೋದ ಹೋಗು ಹೋಗು ಯಾಕೋ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಬರೋ ಅವತಾರನೇ ಆಡ್ತಿದ್ದ ದಿತೇಶ್ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಹಂಗೆ ಹಿಂದೆ ಹೋದೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಗೆ ಬರಕ್ ಇಷ್ಟ ಇಲ್ಲ Okay, what and all you learned yesterday? My dear students, what and all you learned yesterday? You learnt about group by clause, order by clause, and when you use order by clause, whenever you want to display any output in ascending order or descending order, then you will be using order by clause. When you use group by clause, when you have an aggregate function and common columns. See, in the question only you will get no maximum salary, average salary, total, or anything like that. So it means that you will be having aggregate function and common columns, then you will be using group by clause. When you use having clause, when you are using a group by clause, if you have to mention any condition, then you will be using having clause instead of where condition. Clear? Then what else? What and all we learned? Sorry. Yeah. What do you mean by aggregate functions? If you have to find the count, sum, total, maximum, minimum, average, then you will be using aggregate functions, which is also called as multi-row functions. Yes or no? Can you tell me the list of string functions? What are the different types of string functions? Upper, lower. Sorry. Okay, I'll point out those people. Wait. I'll point out. They will get up and tell me the answer. Okay, done. Get up. Neenalam. Yeah. Tell me what are the different types of string functions? When you use each functions, you said upper. When you use upper, when you use lower. Yeah, list. Tell all the functions. Soon, ma. Replace one place to another place. Okay, sit. Pavitra, what are the different types of control flow functions? Control flow functions. Day before yesterday I did. Day before yesterday I did, na? What are the different types of control flow functions? Stop. Stop. If I not studied, didn't study. ನೀನ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀಯಾ? Sit, sit. Choose one color. Tell one color. One color. Yeah, you only tell one color. ನಾನೇ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್. Pavitra, you said gray, no? Abdul, ut. Ut. Okay, what are the different types of multi-row functions? Yesterday only I did. I'll throw you out if you don't answer. Get up. Yeah, tell me what are the different types of... Guys, if anyone teaches, no? I'll do one thing. I'll come there. Wait. Tell me, what are the different types of multi-row functions? ಬೇಡ ನೋಡ್ಕೊ ಸುಮ್ಮನಿರು. Tell. When is count used? ಬಂದೇ ಇರೋ. ಯಾವ್ದು? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆರಿನಾ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆರಿ ಏನಿಗೆ ಬರ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ಆಗ್ತೈತಾ? Tell. ಬಂತಾ? ಕ್ವೆರಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ತಾನೆ? ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ? Yesterday only I thought, no, you were there in the class. Later. Tell me when you'll use average function. You didn't come late, okay? Don't you think I'm keeping cauliflower in my ears? Sit. You said green, no, Ditesh? When you'll use... Please, ma. Kutkonde answer mad parvaila. When you'll use count function. Count of rows. When you use sum function. When you use max function. What does the blue thing mean? Maximum ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ನಿಜ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಆಗ್ತೀರಾ? Okay, take down the next heading. Joints. Joint alla, joints. Joins. Joins. Joints. What are the different types of joints? First of all, what do you mean by joints? Take down the definition. Joints are the special possibility of... Joints are the special possibility of select statement. Joints are the special possibility of select statement. Select statement used to fetch the data. Used to fetch the data from multiple tables. From multiple tables at the same time. Joints are the special possibility of select statement, which is used to fetch multiple datas at the same time. Take down the next point. By using joins, we can also fetch single table data. By using joins, we can also fetch single table data. Guys, today I'll complete with joins and normalization theory part. Okay, then I will give the syntax for each join. Okay, then tomorrow we will do with the queries. Okay, because theory is you have to understand it. Okay, done. Take down the now tell me what are the different types of joins. Okay, the first type of join, what may be the first type of join? The first type of join is Cartesian join. The first type of join is called as Cartesian join, or this is also called as cross join. This is also called as cross join. The second one is inner join. The second one is inner join, or it is also called as equijoin. It is also equijoin. Okay. Next. Next one, you have something called as outer join, or it is also called as non-equi join. Yeah. Next one, what may be the next one? Hey, sorry. Wait. Hey, wait. Your outer join is not called as non-equi join. Outer join or non-equi join. And the last one, you have one join called as self join. Self join. Now take down the first heading as Cartesian join or cross join. Take down the head. Ian ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ರೈಟ್ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಔಟರ್ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಇರ್ರೋ, ಯಾಕ್ರೋ 6 ತಿಂಗಳು ಬಿಡ್ದವ್ರಂಗ ಆಡ್ತೀರಾ. Take down the first heading as Cartesian join or cross join. Cartesian join or cross join. Take down the first point. It is the cross product of two or more tables. It is the cross product of two or more tables. It works on Cartesian principle. It works on Cartesian principle. It works on Cartesian principle, that is each and every records of one table, that is each and every records of one table will be merged with all the records of another table. It works on the Cartesian principle, that is each and every record of one table is merged with all the records of another table. How is that? I'll give you an example, but first write. It works on Cartesian principle, that is each and every records of one table will be merged with all the records of another table. How is that? Yeah, I'll give you one example. Okay. Now, can you tell me two different table names? Which two different table names you want? Pass, student, to salary, employee, leave the student, some different unique table names. Okay, boys will love this. Drinks. Drinks. Okay, next table, what can I keep? Stuffer. I know what stuff you're speaking about. Okay, I'm not so dumb. Yeah, next table, which can I take? Drinks, snacks. Huh? Bar name togolla? Huh? Yes or no? Lalima. Or table name bol Lalima. Okay. Now, for this drinks table, guys, listen to this carefully. You have one drinks table. Okay. Drinks and they don't go to hot drinks, please. So for this one, you, where is this red mark? Yeah. For this one, keep the drink name, keep the drink name and item number. Okay. For this one also, take the ice cream name. Okay. For this one also, take, yeah, here also first take the item number and take the ice cream name. Clear? Clear? Yeah. Can you tell me the drink name? Drink name. Tell guys. Okay. Tell. Hey guys, tell some drink name. No. Yeah. One is Coca-Cola. Then. Oh, pulpy. Then Fanta. Then another one I'll take. Which one? Item number. Item number. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Here also, I will take the item number 1, 2, 3. Ice cream name. No. One is DBC, then DBC and then a Death by Chocolate. You never ate a? Wow. Okay. Next one. Yeah. Clear? Clear? No, na. Okay. So now, according to the second point, they are telling that what are they telling? It works on Cartesian principle, and they are telling each and every records of one table, is merged with the records of another table. Yes or no? So now how your entire table will look? My dear students, how your entire table will look? So now, if I take one entire table here, if I take the entire table here, what and all columns you will get? What and all columns you will get? You will get the drink name. Yes or no? Then what you will get? Drink name, and you will get item number. Again, you will get item number. Yes or no? Yes or no? Then what else you will get? Then also you will get ice cream name? Yes or no? Guys, why I'm taking silly examples is because so that that only gets into your head. If I take technical, no, you people will forget. This one you'll never forget. Yeah. Now tell me how the data will be present. Can you tell me how the data will be present? You have 1, 2, and 3. Yeah. Tell me how the data will be entered here or how the data will be merged with two tables. Okay, first of all, what is the drink name? So now, so what are they telling? Guys, read the definition once. It works on Cartesian principle and each and every, what are they telling? Each and every record of one table, each and every record of one table is merged with the data present in the another table. Yes or no? So now if I take this one, the item number will be 1, 1, 1. Here it will be 2, 2, 2. Here it will be 3, 3, 3. Yes or no? Yes or no? So now this one will be merged with all these three items. Yes or no? So my item number will be 1, 2, 3. So now what will be the name here? That is DBC. Then you will have something, some name. Correct? Correct? Yes or no? So now what is the second data here? So now it will be merged with the rest records of another table. Here it will be 1 to 3 or 3 to 1. 1 to 3. Yes or no? So now here it will be again, it will be merged with these records of another table. Now what is left out? Now what is left out? Yes or no? So now this will be merged with again the item which is present, sorry, the table which is present in the next one. So here it will be again 1, 2, 3. This will be correct. Now you understood? Now you understood? Yes or no? So the definition is clear. Each and every records of one table will be merged with the data which is present in the another table. That is what is Cartesian principle. So now don't you think that it is a cross product? Yes or no? Now take down the next last point. Joining condition. Syntax ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. Joining condition is not used in Cartesian join. What do you mean by joining condition? What do you mean by joining condition? That means where condition is not used inside this. Where condition is not used inside this. So now what may be the syntax? Joining condition is not used in Cartesian join. That means inside the bracket, write down where cross is not used. That is only the joining condition, no? Yes or no? ಕೇಳ್ದಾಗ ತಲೆ ಅಲ್ಲಾಡ್ಸಿದ್ರಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. Online students, are you people getting? Online students, everyone. Okay. So now, can you, okay. So now take down the syntax for the first Cartesian join or cross join. The syntax is select star or column name, select star or column name from T1 comma T2. From T1 comma T2. What is T1 and T2? Table 1 and table 2. Clear? Clear? You have another one syntax, or you have select star or column name from T1. What you will write? From T1 cross join T. Clear? Clear? Yes or no? See, why you can use only this one. Why I wrote this one is, if suppose when you go to an interview and they tell the syntax and you people will blinking it, saying that ma'am has not done this only. So only I'm writing two syntax. Clear? Done? ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಓಕೆ ಡನ್. Take down the next question. Sorry. Next join, that is inner join. Inner join. Take down the question. Point. Joining multiple tables. Point ತಗೊಳ್ರೋ. Joining multiple tables by using common columns between them. Joining multiple tables by using common columns between them is called as inner join. Joining multiple tables by using common columns between them is called as inner join. Can you tell me which is the common column according to these tables? Column, yes or no? Now take down the inner join can be applied for inner join. Inner join can be applied for inner join can be applied for the tables only with relationship. Only with relationship. Inner join can be applied to the tables only with relationship. So now, according to the table which I have written on the board, does the table have any relationship? Does the table have any relationship? Who says no? Who says no? Raise your hands. Who says no? Raise your hands. Okay, who says yes? Raise your legs. So now, guys, see what they are telling. Inner join can be applied to the tables which is having a common column between them, or there should be some relationship between them. Obviously, you will say, ma'am, this is drinks and that is ice cream. Yes, but if you see the column here, both the columns are same. The same item number you have here also. The same item number you have here also. So can I use inner join? So now what the syntax will be? What the syntax will be? Select star, column name or column name. Then what else you will write? You will be writing from table 1, table 2. Table 1, table 2. Then what you will write? Where T1.cc, sorry, T1.cc is equals to T2.cc. Clear? T1.cc. What do you mean by cc? Cc is nothing but c. Cc is nothing. Clear? Clear? So now, according to this syntax, how will you write the table here? By using this table, how will you write the syntax? Select star drinks, ice cream, where drinks dot item number is equals to ice cream dot item number. Correct or no? Correct or not? Yes or no? Any doubt you have? Online student. Online students, do you have any doubts? Nin badkirade doubt antana. Guys, you have another one syntax for this also. Select star, take down, select star or column name from T1. Inside the square brackets, write down inner, join T2, inner join T2. Now you will use on T1.cc, on T1.cc is equals to T2.cc. Clear? Either you can use with where condition or you can use it with that. Clear? Done. Guys, from that time I am telling 2 syntax. No, why I am telling 2 syntax? One is ANSI syntax, anti-syntax, ANSI, ANSCI, ANSI syntax, and another one is Oracle syntax. Okay, which one you'll use? You'll use Oracle syntax or ANSI syntax? Huh? Why you'll use Oracle syntax? See, MySQL and Oracle are one and the same. MySQL and Oracle syntax are one and the same. There's no difference. There is no difference. The only difference is, see, MySQL syntax you will be writing in MySQL command line client. Yes or no? Oracle syntax you will be writing in Oracle software. That's all. Clear? Don't think that is only different. This is different. Okay? Done? Now, if suppose they have given 3 tables, how will you write? If they, see, for 2 tables you wrote like this. If they're given 3 tables, select star column name from T1, T2, T3. T1, T2, T3. Then what you will write? Where T1.cc is equals to T2.cc and T2.cc is equals to T3.cc. You want me to write it? Okay, I'll write. So now, if suppose 3 tables is given, how you will write? You will write select star or column name from how many tables you want now? T1, T2, T3. Yes or no? Yes or no? Now, where T1.cc is equals to T2.cc. Guys, listen guys. Nagendra. Nimge control kodtaradu. Where T1.cc is equals to T2.cc and T2.cc is equals to T3.cc. Clear? See, by seeing at this syntax, what do you understand? Whether 2 tables is given or 3 tables is given. If suppose 2 tables are given, you are supposed to have a relationship between them or a common column between them. If they are given 3 different tables also, in that also all those 3 tables should have one column same. Then only you can use CC. CC means common column. Clear? Clear? Yes. Take down the next one. Hey, shut up. Suhas. Huh? Inna yaru 4 tables idre T1, T2, T3, T4. Where T1.cc is equals to T2.cc, T2.cc is equals to T3.cc, and T3.cc is equals to T4.cc. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಧಿಕ ಪ್ರಸಂಗತನ ಬೇಡ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಆಯ್ತಾ. 4 ಟೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ಯಾವನು ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ. ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ ಯೋಗ್ಯತೆಗಳಿಗೆ 2 ಟೇಬಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ರೇನೆ ಬರೆಯಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ನೀವು 4 ಟೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ಹೋದ್ರಿ. ಯಾಕ್ರೋ ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಬೈಸ್ಕೋತೀರಾ? ಏನ್ ಟೇಬಲ್? ಬರ್ತೀನಿ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಮನುಷ್ಯರಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಹುಡುಗಿ ಬೇಕು ಕಣೋ, ಟೇಬಲ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಟೇಬಲ್ ಬೇಡವೇನೋ? ಹಾ, ಬೇಕು ತಾನೆ? Take down. Next one, non-equi join. Non-equi join. Okay. Your inner join is also called as equi join. Now, joining multiple tables. Joining multiple tables without using common columns between them. Joining multiple tables without using common joining multiple tables without using common columns between them. Nange gottu kandro, you people have taken me for granted. Joining multiple tables without using common columns between them is called as non-equi join. Join. Take down the next point. Joining multiple tables without specifying equals operator in the joining condition. Without you specifying equals operator in the joining condition. To apply non-equi join, two conditions should be satisfied. To apply non-equi join, two conditions should be satisfied. First one, the tables to be joined should not have common columns. The tables to be joined should not have common columns. The tables to be joined, second point, the tables to be joined should have relevant data. What do you mean by relevant data? Data which is relevant is called as relevant data. Correct? Take down the definition for relevant data. It is the data between tables. ಯಾಕೋ ಇವತ್ತು ಮಗು ತುಂಬಾ ಸೈಲೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ? ಸ್ನೇಹಿತೆ ಬಂದಿಲ್ವಾ? ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತೆ? ಏಕೆ? ಅದೇನೋ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತಂತ? ಇಂಟರ್ವ್ಯೂನಾ? It is the data between the tables having the same data type and size but different column names. But having same data type and size but different column names. There is no syntax for this. Okay, take down the next. Outer join. ಮುಚ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಮೇಲೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. For non-equi join, you don't have any syntax. It is just for your understanding. Okay. Outer join, joining multiple tables joining multiple tables by using common columns between them. Joining multiple tables by using common columns between them is called as outer join. There are three types of outer join. There are three types of outer join. The first one is left outer join. The first one is left outer join. So how you'll write the syntax for this left outer join? Yeah, how you'll write? Take down. Left outer join. Left outer join is equals to valid record of left and right table. Left and right table. Left and right table plus invalid records of left table. What do you mean by valid records? What do you mean by invalid records? Valid records means common columns. Invalid records means, sorry, okay, what do you mean by invalid records? Huh? Okay, first of all, they are telling the syntax for left outer join is valid records of both left and right table. What do you mean by valid records? Can I say common columns of both left table and right table? Now, what do you mean by invalid records of left table? Whichever column is not similar to the next table, those columns you will be mentioning. That is the meaning of invalid records. Okay. Take down the next one. Right outer join. Right outer join. Can you tell me the syntax for this? Can you tell me the syntax for this? Huh? The only thing is right outer join, valid records of both left and right table plus invalid records of right table. Clear? How you'll write the syntax for this? Okay, tell. For left outer join, how you'll write the syntax? Select. Select star, column name. Then what you'll write? What you'll write? From only table 1, na? Only table 1 or both table 1 and table 2? Both the tables, right? See, why it's both the tables? Because here you have valid records of both left and right table. So you will write from T1, T2. Then, where T1.cc is equals to T2.cc. Tell. Okay. Don't you think this is similar to the cross join which you wrote? Cross join, inner join. Inner join. Then what is the difference? Brackets. What do you mean by this plus symbol? What do you mean by this plus symbol? According to this one, what they are telling? Invalid records of left table. Yes or no? Wherever left symbol is there, you will plus symbol indicates that you are mentioning only the left side of the table. Clear? That is for left join. Right join. Oh. For right join, how you will write? For right join, how you will write? You will just be mentioning that plus symbol towards your right side. You will just be mentioning the plus symbol towards your right side. Artha aita? Artha aita? Guys, why have I mentioned plus here? Why have I mentioned plus here? Nagendra, why have I mentioned? Srisha, why have I mentioned plus symbol then? Huh? Tell Srisha. Correct, ma, tell. You are joining the valid records to the left side of the table. So you are mentioning plus symbol towards your left side. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? Now for right side, towards the right side of the table. Yes or no? That is nothing but the first table. Yes or no? Hey, why you are coming late every day, da? Huh? Okay. So for right join, how will you write? Select star or column name from T1 comma T2 where T1 dot CC plus is equals to T2 dot CC. See, this one you will understand by writing, when you're writing the queries, no, then you will be understanding. Okay? Huh? Huh? Oracle syntax now. See, now you get to know this. See, whenever it is left join, you will be mentioning the plus towards the left side. Right join means you will be mentioning it is here. When you're solving the query for left join and these outer join, then you'll understand why that plus is there. Okay. But you understood this syntax, no? The last one is full outer join. You have left outer join, right outer join, and full outer join. What do you mean by full outer join? Good. See, here for full outer join, valid records of left and right table plus invalid records of both left table and right table. Clear? Left table and right table. Now, how you'll write the syntax for this? How you'll write the syntax for this? Select star from T1 comma T2 where T1 dot CC is equals to T2 dot CC. Correct? Same as your inner join. Yes or no? Take down the last one. Self join. Self joining. Joining the table to itself. Joining the table to itself is called as self join. Joining the table to itself is called as self joining. Take down the syntax. T1 dot C1 is equals to T1 dot C2. T1 dot C1 is equals to T1 dot C2. So what is happening here? For one single table, you are joining two columns. Yes or no? Yes or no? T1 dot C1 is equals to T1 dot C2. So how many tables you are having here? One table. How many columns? Two columns. Suhas, single table keldala ade self join. Arthaita? Arthaita? Clear? Queries on this joints, I'll tell it to you tomorrow. Okay, now take down the topic. Yes, Jashwant, tell. Yes, Jashwant. Jashwant. I'll do one thing. Normalization and the queries I'll do tomorrow. Now, open your laptops. Solve HackerRank questions today only. See, by day after tomorrow, your SQL will get completed. Okay. So, HackerRank questions, again, if you people keep it pending, no, you people will never ever solve it. Okay. Yes. Tell Jashwant it's okay. Guys, clear with joints theory. Okay, what do you mean by joints? It is nothing but it is a special possibility of select statement which is used to join two different tables. What are the different types of joins in that? Cartesian join, which is also called as cross join. What do you mean by Cartesian join? Each record of one table will be merged with all the data of another table. Yes. So in Cartesian join, will you use where condition? No. Yes. So then what is the syntax for Cartesian join? Select star or column name from T1, T2. Yes. Or you will be writing select star or column name from T1 cross join T2. Correct? Yes. Next one, what is the different type of join? Inner join. When you will use inner join, you will be using inner join when you have a common column between two tables. So according to these two tables, the common column is item number. Yes or no? So, and if you have a relationship between those tables, then only you will be using inner join. What is the syntax for that? Select star, column name from T1, T2, where T1 dot CC is equals to T2 dot CC. Correct? Yes. Next one, you have non-equijoin. What do you mean by non-equijoin? If you do not have common columns between them, then it is called as non-equivalent join. Next one, what is a different type of join? Outer join. What do you mean by outer join? In this outer join, you have three different types of joins. In this outer join also, you will be using common columns between the tables for joining the condition. Yes. So you have three different outer join. One is left outer join. What is the syntax for left outer join? Left outer join is equals to valid records of both table 1 and table 2 plus invalid records of invalid records of left table. Left table means table 2. 2. Hey, nange confuse ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ನೋಡ್ರೋ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಿ ತಾನೆ ಟೇಬಲ್ 2. ಎಸ್ ಕೈ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ತಾನೆ ಟೇಬಲ್ 2 ನೇ ತಾನೆ ಬರೋದು. That's why I have given plus there. Now at least you understood. Now what do you mean by right outer join? Valid records of both table 1 and table 2 and invalid records of right table, that is table 1. Now the syntax is clear. Full outer join, valid records of both left table and right table and invalid records of both the table. Yes, so how you will write the syntax for that? Select star column name from T1, T2 where T1 dot CC is equals to T2 dot CC. Clear? Clear with joins? So tomorrow if I ask questions on this, you people will tell no? Yes or no? Once again, tell me the query for full outer join. What do you mean by self join? You will be having only one single table in that. Yes. And what is the syntax for that? The syntax for that is T1 dot C1 is equals to T1 dot C2. So according to this, you get to know that you have only one table and you have two different columns. Yes? Yes or no? Full outer join, what is the syntax? Select star from column name T1 from T1 comma T2, where T1 dot CC is equals to T2 dot CC. Same syntax as your inner join. Yes or no? Clear? Yes. Any doubts you have? Any doubts you have? Now open your laptops. Okay. Adesh, how many HackerRank questions have you solved? Adesh. Santosh, what happened? You did not understand still. Santosh. Santosh. Clear. Okay, done. Okay, guys. Okay, who has solved till at least 30 questions? 30 questions. Raise your hands. Who has solved 30 questions? Raise your hands. Genuinely raise your hands. Genuinely raise your hands. 30 HackerRank questions. Who has solved? Girls, who has solved? Mad Bedray, don't do anything. Be like this only. Okay, guys, open your laptops and solve the HackerRank questions, please. Please do it soon. Everyone scan with your attendance. Everyone scan with your attendance.